What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at a trade I took on NZDUSD for 65 pips. Now this was a really simple trade. We can see right here we have this area of resistance, and it also created a double top, so I simply marked up the neckline, which is roughly in this area right here. And I simply waited for a price to retest that neckline, which we get with this right here. And this is where I took my entry, and my take profit was where this formation started, as always. So you can see that this was the push that created the first point of this double top right here. There wasn't really any consolidation or pullbacks until we got up right here. So this was why my take profit was in this area. When I trade market reversal patterns, I always place my TP at the start of where that pattern was created. After that, I just feel like anything else can really happen in the market, so it's fair game. So I just choose to stay out of the market past that when I'm trading those patterns. So if you guys have any questions over anything I talked about in this video, please just drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see when I take these trades live, go ahead and follow me on Facebook or Instagram and check out my stories. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.